guess you wasn't ready for it. Tell me why you mad. Tell me why you hurt, yeah. The table lights up. You go by the way.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this lovely install. I end up using some new products and a new little technique. I'm watching Jacob right now, and he talks a lot, so if you hear him talking in the background, don't worry, okay? He's right here. So yeah, this is how the wig turned out. I absolutely love it. Be quiet for me, please. So if you guys want to check out UNICE hair, I will have the links down below so you guys can check them out. The layers made their hair look even thicker, and I am babysitting Jacob, okay? So I said, let me do this hair because I'm about to go take my permit test, and I know I'm gonna pass. I'm speaking it into existence. I'm gonna pass, and I'm gonna come back and tell y'all if I passed. No, I'm gonna come back and tell you guys that I passed. So I said, let me just put on a wig and look presentable in case I have to take a new photo for my card or something. This is how it turned out. I did show you guys exactly what came in their box, their pretty box. So let's get right into that clip, and then you guys can watch me do this install start to finish. I believe I already had a wig like this before, because I feel like I had a wig from them like this. If I can find the video, I will link it down below.
They are in the living room. Harriet opens the desktop, closes it. Ozzy scratches his head. Harriet opens the big bottom drawer, closes it. Ozzy scratches his head. Whatever she's looking for, it isn't in there.
Perfect, 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 perfect.
Goodness sake.
Not there, huh?
Doesn't seem to be.
How about behind the serving tray?
No, I don't think so.
Gotta be someplace. Have you looked inside the buffet?
No, not yet. Might just be in here.
Any luck?
No, darn it.
I wish we could find it.
So do I. I'll probably remember where I put it. Thanks very much for helping me look.
I haven't the slightest idea.
Think it might help if you did know?
Well, it might, but don't tell me. I like surprises.
Hello. He does not go crazy.
Wait, why haven't you slept? What's up? Good to see you. Like, you are.
You are the woman that I want. She is the best thing that I'd rather. Live with her, I can't live without. The only woman that I want. Only you because I trust no other. Call me whenever you're in doubt. As long as you're next to me, others will clearly see your love is my ecstasy, and I'll never leave me. Long as you're next to me, others will clearly see your love is my ecstasy, and I'll never leave me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look, I'm only soft for you. I had to grow for you. I want you bust down, so I put in work for you. You make these brothers turn heads when they're passing you. So if you bust, it's cause there's passion when I'm rassing you. Yeah, I'm a real nigga. Body figure 8, but you're worth 6 figures. When I shine bright, I'm gonna make your wrist flicker. Diamonds on your carty, make these hoes triggered. You're my little shawty, tell them go figure. Baby know she naughty, ain't a gold digger. Roll up to the party, she know all the hitters. She ain't into talking, all she know is digits. Body got a brother's head spinning like fidget. Bougie, F with the ballers and bad bitches. Grab her from behind, niggas wondering how I did it. She thick too, brothers be wondering how I hit it. You are the woman that I want. She is the blessing that I'd rather live with and I can't live without. The only woman that I want. Only you because I trust no other. Call me whenever you're in doubt. As long as you're next to me, others will clearly see your love is my ecstasy, and I'll never leave thee. Long as you're next to me, others will clearly see your love is my ecstasy, and I'll never leave thee. Yeah, yeah, yeah. If I wasn't up and I begged you for your trust, would you come to me? Come to me. If I told you I was done and I had nothing at all, would you comfort me and call me baby? Girl, I never ever run away from your girl. Diamonds put a neck piece for your girl. I never think of playing games with your girl. I'll never ever run away from your girl. Diamonds put a neck piece for your girl. I'll never ever play games with your girl. You are the woman that I want. She is the blessing that I'd rather live with and I can't live without. The only woman that I want. Only you because I trust no other. Call me whenever you're in doubt. As long as you're next to me, others will clearly see your love is my ecstasy, and I'll never leave thee. Long as you're next to me, others will clearly see your love is my ecstasy, and I'll never leave thee. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Trying to
rest. Saying I'm the shit, will appoint me to the restroom. You care less about the money when respect's due. I'm Bob Fisher, they contemplating my next move. And scratch these niggas off, that's the object. Niggas only buzzing cause my tape has the drop dead. I'm the hottest out, if you ain't get the news. Fuck with these niggas talking, we let the bitches choose. Loyalty is all you know, there ain't no switching crews. Feeling like we put the blow in this room, might have lit the fuse. Real nigga, my haters wishing they was one. Going hard till recognition and buzz comes. Spill so much liquor, you'd have thought I lost a loved one. Money over everything, these bitches above none.
This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I actually really enjoyed making this video. Look at how the lace turned out. I think it's melted. My forehead is breaking out like crazy, guys. I literally fell off from doing my skin routine. I don't know what was going on, but I just started back, so guys, yeah, I cannot do a lot as you can hear. If you guys enjoyed it and you want your wig to look like this, make sure you try this technique. I feel like this looks great, and I will have all UNICE hair links down below so you guys can check out this wig if you're interested. I love it. I love the layered look, everything. It just makes it look really, really nice and luxe, and it's quick to put on just because it has that little non-slip band that makes it feel secured. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.